Gone are the days when people would need to run to the nearest library or enroll in language classes. Learning to speak a foreign language has now become much easier. Talking English to people online can make anyone learn the lingo in no time. It's much more effective for learning how to do face-to-face conversations than how books or audio lessons would otherwise teach someone. If you are fluent in English, have a clear voice and feel comfortable just chatting with people, then you have a great opportunity waiting for you. One of the most popular places online is italki.com. If you have a certificate or degree in education and are trained to teach a foreign language to non-native speakers, then you can start making money doing the job. Becoming a teacher or tutor at italki.com is very easy. All you need to do is sign up and you're good to go. Working at home is the greatest benefit of doing this kind of job. You may even teach from a public area as you desire, just so long as nothing interferes with the conversation. You get the conveniences that you don't get to enjoy when working in an office or school setting. However, in this type of work, you will need to adhere to your students' desired date and time. And of course, there's a need for you to stay on top of your students' expectations, as you will be rated by them. Their reviews help others know if you are worth hiring or not, so you would want to keep a good reputation. Samespeak.com, italki.com, nicetalk.com.